what are these guys, little tiny bikes, doing up in front of our whole school talking about?
Well, basically what it is, something we all like to do is BMX, and BMX actually stands for bicycle motocross. And the way the whole thing started was in California in the early 60s. Kids were basically trying to imitate their motocross heroes with motorcycles. But you know, some kids, they couldn't afford a motorcycle, and mom said no. So they got a bike, they made some jumps, and they just started doing what they saw their motocross people were doing. And we have a little video. We have a little video of kind of what that looked like back when it was all starting.
The whole sport originated after motorcycle motocross. Those were our heroes. Those were the guys that we wanted to really be like, you know, the Joel Bears, Roger Costner, hiking full. I mean, those are the guys that we looked at in magazines and wanted to go out and ride a bicycle like them. So, you know, we were trying to ride those type of courses. Of course, they were down type of courses, but that's really where we started and what we had fun with. Sponsored by Cuthbert West and in San Fernando. Jim Emerson was very involved with, you know, getting the kids in our neighborhood to come out and start riding the tracks. And I mean, that was really the first big tracks, all that sand that we raced at.
That was not technical difficulty, that was just really bad editing, so don't let the computer be the operator. Okay, basically after they all started doing that, the first BMX, after the National Bicycle Association, the first sanctioned body of the sport was created in 1972. The first BMX World Championships were held in 1981, which is pretty cool. And finally, in 2008, BMX made its debut in the Beijing Olympics, and that was some really cool stuff. It's a big deal, finally get the Olympics and stuff like that. And we have more videos. Videos are good. They're more interesting than me talking. Thanks.
Right in front of things are off behind the scenes, laying the thing.
This is the 2012 Olympics.
Unable to get back in the lost position to make up for it after the second turn. So now it's conversion into the opposite position with a big silver. Now it's conversion to double Olympic gold medalist. A phenomenal achievement for the Latvia.
I think it was better on that one. Okay, and today, the sport's grown a lot, like I said, in 2008, 2012 Olympics were a big deal for everything. Today, in the USA, sanctioning bodies, USA BMX, we have 370 tracks in the country and over 70,000 members, so it's really expanded, it's really big now. There are 7 tracks in Idaho, which is also pretty cool, and 4 tracks we can drive through the distance here. So you guys have no excuse.
All right, guys, so that was pretty cool with that
This sport has been in the Olympics 2 times, 2008 and 2012. But again, we're not really here to talk about the sport of the Olympics. We're here to talk about the sport here locally and some of the things that you guys can do to get out, get some exercise, and have some fun. So like I said, there's 4 tracks that are in this area. We have a track in Mountain Home, which is a little bit of a drive from Caldwell. And then a little bit closer, we've got a track in Eagle, a track in Cuna, and we've got a track right here in Caldwell, just a couple miles away. And what we're going to do to start talking about the local tracks is we're going to bring in some of our local riders that we have here. We have riders from Cuna, Caldwell, Eagle, and Boise.